বিসমিল্লাহির রহমানির রহিম। আজকে ইনারভেশন অফ দ্য গ্যাস্ট্রোইন্টেস্টিনাল ট্র্যাক্ট নিয়ে কথা বলবো। Gastrointestinal tract lined almost entirely by smooth muscle, which responds to stress by contraction. This response is completely independent of neural activity. Major neural elements affecting the gastrointestinal activity are enteric nervous system, autonomic control, তার মধ্যে আছে প্যারাসিম্প্যাথেটিক, সিম্প্যাথেটিক. Thirdly, efferent sensory nerve fiber from the gut. First of all, enteric nervous system. বলতে কি বুঝি? The gastrointestinal tract has a nervous system all its own is called enteric nervous system, বা তাকে আমরা সেকেন্ড ব্রেনও বলে থাকি। গাটের মধ্যে যে ইন্ট্রিনসিক নিউরাল অর্গানাইজেশন আছে তাকে আমরা এন্টারিক নার্ভাস সিস্টেম বলছি কেন? কারণ হচ্ছে ইট কন্টেন অল দ্য কম্পোনেন্টস অফ রিফ্লেক্স আর্ক, সেন্সরি নিউরনস, প্রসেসিং ইউনিটস মানে ইন্টারনান্সিয়াল নিউরন অ্যান্ড এফেক্টর নিউরনস। এই enteric nervous system functions independently of central nervous system, can have a complete reflex circuit locally even if all the nerves are severed, or if take the gut out and put in an organ bath. Okay. Enteric nervous system convey information from central nervous system to gastrointestinal tract, but also often can activate program responses of secretion and motility in an autonomous fashion. It ensures that gut responds to mechanical and chemical stimuli present in the lumen. This highly developed enteric nervous system is especially important in controlling gastrointestinal movement and secretion. Enteric nervous system lies entirely in the gut of wall, beginning in the esophagus and extending all the way to anus. The numbers of neurons in the enteric nervous system is about 100 million, nearly equal to the number of entire spinal cord. The neuronal organization within the gastrointestinal tract has been observed by early neuroanatomists named হচ্ছে Leopold Auerbach and Georgi Misners. Parts of it are still known by their names. Enteric nervous system is composed mainly of two plexus. One, outer plexus, which lies between the longitudinal and circular muscle layer, called myenteric plexus or Auerbach plexus, and inner plexus called submucosal plexus or Misner plexus. থাকে হচ্ছে সাবমিউকোসাতে। This is the figure. Auerbach plexus, Misner plexus দেখাতে চাচ্ছিলাম। serosal, longitudinal muscle, circular muscle, submucosa, mucosa. At first, myenteric plexus by Auerbach plexus consists mostly of a linear chain of interconnecting neurons that extend the entire length of gastrointestinal tract, concerned mainly with controlling muscle activity, mainly gastrointestinal movement. যখন এই প্লেক্সাস স্টিমুলেটেড হবে তখন increased tonic contraction or tone of the gut, increased intensity of rhythmical contraction, slightly increase the rate of rhythm of contraction, and increased velocity of conduction of excitatory wave along the gut wall, causing more rapid movement of gut peristalsis waves. Myenteric plexus should not be considered entirely excitatory. Some of its neurons are inhibitory. Their fiber secretes inhibitory neurotransmitter, that is vasoactive intestinal peptide or nitric oxide. The inhibitory signal especially is useful for inhibiting some intestinal sphincter muscle that impede the movement of food along the successive segment of gastrointestinal tract, such as pyloric sphincter or sphincter of ileocecal valve. Pyloric sphincter control emptying of stomach into duodenum, and sphincter of ileocecal valve control emptying from small intestine into cecum. Submucosal plexus concerned with controlling function within the inner wall of each minute segment of intestine. Many sensory signals originate from gastrointestinal epithelium are integrated in submucosal plexus, which control mainly gastrointestinal secretion and local blood flow. It's help to control local intestinal secretion, local absorption and local contraction of submucosal muscle, which causes various degree of infolding of gastrointestinal mucosa. Figure যে কোথায় থাকে আমাদের mesenteric plexus and submucosal plexus. A dozen or more different neurotransmitter substances are released by the nerve ending of different type of enteric neuron, that is acetylcholine, norepinephrine, adenosine triphosphate, serotonin, dopamine, cholecystokinin, substance P, vasoactive intestinal peptide, somatostatin, leuenkephalin, metenkephalin, bombasthene. টার্গেট অর্গান কী আছে আমাদের এন্টারিক নার্ভাস সিস্টেমের জন্য? টার্গেট যে সাবস্টেন্সগুলো যে স্মুথ মাসেল, মিউকোসা সিক্রেটরি সেল, গ্যাস্ট্রোইন্টেস্টাইনাল এন্ডোক্রাইন সেল, মাইক্রোভাস্কুলাচার, ইমিউনোমodulatory অর ইনফ্ল্যামেটরি সেলস অফ গাট। অটোনমিক কন্ট্রোলের মধ্যে আছে সিম্প্যাথেটিক অ্যান্ড প্যারাসিম্প্যাথেটিক। প্যারাসিম্প্যাথেটিক increase the activity of enteric nervous system, which enhance the activity of most gastrointestinal function supplied by cranial and sacral division. A sympathetic division inhibit gastrointestinal tract activity, originate in spinal cord between thoracic 5 and lumbar 2. Parasympathetic supply divided into cranial and sacral, just একটু আগেই বললাম। cranial হচ্ছে except a few parasympathetic fibers to mouth and pharyngeal region of alimentary tract. Cranial parasympathetic nerve are almost entirely in the vagus nerve, which provide extensive innervation to esophagus, stomach, pancreas, first half of large intestine. And sacral parasympathetic originate second, third and fourth sacral segment of spinal cord and passes through pelvic nerve to distal half of large intestine and all the way to anus. The sigmoid, rectal and anal regions are considerably better supplied with parasympathetic fibers than other intestinal areas. This fiber functions specially to execute defecation reflex. Postganglionic neurons located mainly in mesenteric and submucosal plexus, and they secrete acetylcholine mainly. Other substances also secreted and stimulate motor and secretory activity. Parasympathetic innervates especially all the gastrointestinal tract rather than being more extensive nearest the oral cavity and anus. In general, stimulation of parasympathetic nervous system inhibit motor and secretory activity of gastrointestinal tract and stimulate sphincter and blood vessels contraction. Sympathetic nerve ending secrete mainly norepinephrine, which exert this two-way effect. One, to slight extent by direct effect of secreted norepinephrine to inhibit intestinal tract smooth muscle except mucosal muscle, which is excited, to to a major extent by an inhibitory effect of norepinephrine on the neurons of enteric nervous system. Strong stimulation of sympathetic system can inhibit motor movement of gut so greatly that this can literally block movement of food through the gastrointestinal tract. Third, afferent sensory nerve fiber from the gut. Many sensory nerve fibers innervate the gut. Some of the nerve fibers have their cell bodies in the enteric nervous system and some have them in the dorsal root ganglia of spinal cord. This sensory nerve can be stimulated by irritation of the gut mucosa, excessive distension of the gut, presence of specific chemical substance in the gut. Signals transmitted through the fiber can then excitation, other condition inhibition of intestinal movement or intestinal secretion. In addition, other sensory signals from the gut go all the way to multiple areas of spinal cord and even to the brain stem. For example, 80% of nerve fiber in the vagus nerve are efferent rather than efferent. These efferent fiber transmit sensory signals from gastrointestinal tract into the brain medulla, which in turn initiate vagal reflex signals that return the gastrointestinal tract to control many of its functions. This is the figure. এটা আমি একটু ডিসক্রাইব করছি এখন। সেটা হচ্ছে extrinsic sympathetic and parasympathetic fiber connect both myenteric and submucosal plexus. Although enteric nervous system can function independently of this extrinsic nerve, stimulation by sympathetic and parasympathetic system can greatly enhance or inhibit gastrointestinal functions. Sensory nerve ending that originate in gastrointestinal epithelium or gut wall send efferent fiber to both plexus of enteric nervous system as well as to prevertebral ganglia, to spinal cord, to brain stem. This sensory nerve can elicit local reflex within the gut wall itself. Still other reflex that are relayed to the gut from either prevertebral ganglia or basal region of brain.